Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Kichler fan remote suddenly stops working and controlling the fan feels impossible, it can definitely become upsetting when the fan itself seems perfectly fine. Sometimes the light function works but fan speed controls stop responding, while other times nothing reacts at all no matter how many buttons you press. A problem like this can happen because of battery placement, signal interruptions, pairing issues, or simple connection delays that are easy to overlook. Before thinking the remote completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many fan remote issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Kichler fan remote not working. Try these. Step 1. Open the battery area of the Kichler fan remote and replace the batteries if controls feel unresponsive. Step 2. Point the Kichler fan remote directly toward the ceiling fan and remove anything blocking the signal path. Step 3. Turn off power to the fan connected to the Kichler fan remote briefly before restoring it again. Step 4. Clean around the buttons on the Kichler fan remote if some controls feel difficult to press. Step 5. Reconnect or pair the Kichler fan remote. Again, if your fan model supports syncing features. Step 6. Test speed and light controls using the Kichler fan remote and confirm the fan responds normally again.